What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we were on our way to form our fifth wave inside this C wave, and I've told you that this movement was definitely the fourth wave and it was a very meaningful triangle formation, and I've told you that most likely we will hit lower targets. First of all, we should hit at least the golden pocket and we should have a bounce, and we have it. As you can see, we have this bounce for about almost 4%. Then we broke it to the downside and we hit a next range of support, and it was the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the price point of roughly 37.1 cents, and it was the huge bounce for more than 13%. But then unfortunately we have this massive sell-off, and the main reason of this sell-off definitely was the Russian-Ukrainian crisis. And from this range, the price action went higher for about 25% to this current range. So technically we are exactly at the same spot that we were previously, right here. But I nailed this movement to the downside, and I have to say that this movement is really technical, and I will show you in my technical analysis why I think so. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And we are sitting at $1.94 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.79% increase over the last day. And all major cryptocurrencies during the last 24 hours are moving sideways. But on a 7 days period, they are double digits in green, except BNB. And that is a very good sign. So, and let's continue with the Kronos numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $10.98 billion. It is a 1.71% decrease over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $132.21 million. And it is also a decrease for about 10.5%. So, the movement to the downside with the decrease in volume definitely shows that this might be only a consolidation phase. And let me show you the news related to crypto.com coin. And we are on their official Twitter page, and they posted this tweet just 11 hours ago, and it says, "Capital is pleased to support the investment in Subspace." And here is the link, and let me show you this article in details. Subspace Labs raises $32.9 million to bring internet scale to Web3. Subspace Labs is developing a scalable base layer for Web3, enabling blockchains and metaverses to run at internet scale. And let me show you that Subspace Labs developer Subspace Network today announced the completion of a $32.9 million strategic financing round led by Pantera Capital, with participation from Coinbase Ventures, Crypto.com, Alameda Research, Consensus, Smash, KR1, Hyperspace Ventures, Stratos Technologies, AVG Blockchain Fund, GSR Ventures, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, it is a huge round, and $32.9 million is a very significant number for the startup. And definitely Crypto.com is one of the companies that want to be a part of this innovation process. And definitely it is a very good fundamental news. Next one, let me show you right here. They posted this tweet 23 hours ago, the weekly market update. Ukraine receives $4 million from crypto community. Definitely it is a very meaningful number for Ukraine. BTC passes $36,000 despite Russia-Ukraine conflict. Price, volume and volatility indices on the up. And this is the main technical statement that I want to pay your attention to. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So first of all, about the prices. As I already mentioned, the price went up for more than 25% to the current range. And as you can see, this movement to the upside has a very good structure, and it has an increase in volume in this structure, and definitely it might be the beginning of next leg to the upside. And for now, let me show you the detailed breakdown of this C wave, and I think we can pull the bottom of the C wave right here at this very bottom, and the bottom of the fifth wave as well might be right here. And this structure might be tricky for some analysts, but I have to say that it is quite obvious if you know how to define these movements. So we have an internal wave, and this might be the first wave, this is the second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth and fifth, and this is internal third wave. And let me turn off this wave for now. And on a slightly bigger scale, we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. And it doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rules, and we have completed all 5 wave structure, and this is the real bottom of this price action. And with the increase in volume, definitely it might be a very good pivot point for this asset for the long-term perspective. On top of that, let me show you that if I turn on the Bitcoin price action, as you can see right here, Kronos is mimicking the Bitcoin price action almost to the tick, but from this range Bitcoin went much higher than Kronos, and definitely it shows the total bullishness of Bitcoin. And I have to say that Bitcoin for now might be some kind of safe haven for the investors, for the retail investors, and for some institutional investors as well. And this price action of Bitcoin might lead to new bull market for the entire crypto industry, and definitely it is a very good sign. So let me turn off this price action. And what should we expect next? Let me switch to daily time frame. And on a greater scale, as you can see, we have higher lows, and this movement to the upside definitely is a very good, because we have higher lows and we have to exceed this previous top in order to establish higher highs. And technically the major targets are still the same. It is 97 cents as the confluence in between the all-time high range and the 0.786 Fibonacci extension range. Next range might be $1.14. It is a one-to-one extension. And the third point that is the most aggressive is at $1.65 price point, and it is 1.618 extension level. But on a slightly smaller scale, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, and on this range, first of all, we have to break this previous high, and it is the price point of roughly 53.7 cents, and it might be our next range of major resistance. And I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!